Let's get the Weather Authority forecast for the rest of the week, the weekend and beyond.
Yes, and we are looking at finally some solid summer heat for several days. And if you thought today was warm, just wait until tomorrow. We officially got up to 81 degrees in Syracuse, but notice the orange further west. We've got 90s on the way to central New York. So if you don't have the air conditioning in yet or thought you could get away with it, you definitely want to put it in. We'll be close to records, forecasting 91. The record is 95 and will be more than 15 degrees above normal for this time of year. We should be in the mid 70s, which we will eventually get back to. Mid 80s on Thursday, then we're back into the mid 70s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but could be back into the 80s looking ahead to next week. The reason for the extreme heat we're expecting tomorrow is because of a south wind that will become a bit breezy. High pressure will still be overhead for tomorrow, keeping the sunshine, but come Thursday is when this next stormy system rolls in. And not only are we going to have the sun tomorrow, but keeping the wildfire smoke overhead. Right now, you may have noticed if you've stepped outside, a white film in the sky, and that's from Canadian wildfires. This will still be overhead for tomorrow and a little bit of smoke mixing in at the surface. Our air quality looks to be in the moderate zone, so not any air quality alerts, but something to be mindful of. Now, as we head into Thursday with our next stormy system rolling in during the afternoon hours, it's a low chance, but still monitoring it for severe thunderstorms to the south and east of Syracuse. So timing this out, right now we're still quiet. Temperature sits at 80 in Syracuse, upper 70s for the countrysides, and hazy sun from that wildfire smoke. We'll be dropping down into the lower 70s by 10 p.m. Probably a good night to keep the windows closed and the AC running. We'll only be in the lower 60s by sunrise, but warming up fast. Mid 80s by lunchtime tomorrow, lower 90s in the afternoon, and keeping that hazy sunny sky. Into Wednesday night, temperatures will be even warmer, upper 70s by 10 p.m., only bottoming out in the upper 60s at night, and the clouds will start to build in towards sunrise on Thursday. It looks to be mainly dry up until the early afternoon hours. That's when scattered thunderstorms will be across the region and should be exiting before sunset. So very brief scattered storms from a cold front rolling through. But we do have a second round on the way for Friday. Temperatures drop behind that cold front from the mid 80s into the mid 70s. Scattered storms on Friday. Some lingering showers on the backside, mainly for the first half of the day on Saturday, and dropping into the lower 70s. Upper 70s, drying out sunshine, more sun in the afternoon, then back up into the 80s to start next week with the risk for storms on Monday.